Hello everyone, we are going to cook gizzard and I will fry it, then I mix it with fried plantain. The first thing is I've washed the gizzard, so I'm going to put some spices in it. This is it. This is all-purpose seasoning, so I put little of this. Then I'm going to add curry. This is curry, hot curry powder. So I'm going to add this one teaspoon. I'm going to add 2 cubes of Maggi and a little salt. So this is that. I'm going to add a little bit of water to make it soft, boiled well and soft. So I'll stir it, and I'll boil this one for 20 minutes. After this, I'll fry the gizzard, then I'll show you the next step. Now the gizzard is cooked, so I'm going to fry the gizzard now for about 10 minutes, and poured rapeseed oil in the pot. Then when the oil is hot, then I will pour the gizzard onto the hot frying oil. So I'm going to pour the gizzard into the into the hot oil for maybe 10-5 minutes. Then after this, I will now make the stew. So this is the frying of the gizzard. So I have to remove it now and pour the remaining one onto the hot oil. So I want to make stew now for the gizzard. So the first thing is to blend the pepper. So I've got the paprika. I've got 3 pieces of paprika. I have to cut them. So I have to put this in the cut them in pieces. Put them in the blender. And that's it. That's them. I have to remove the black thing in it. like to remove all this so that it will bring out good flavor. So I've got hot pepper, 4 pieces of this. So I have to put this also because I like my stew to be pepperish a little. Then, so I'm adding this one. I fill it up. So I've washed this now. So I have to cut it into pieces so that it will be easier for me to blend. So I have to put this one here. So I have to add it as I'm blending. I will add it because the blender is already full. I have to add little water. I need to blend it now. So I'll put a little bit of oil and I have to add the pepper, the one I've blended. To make the sauce for the gizzard, and I have to add curry to it, just teaspoon, and all-purpose seasoning, just teaspoonful. And I have to add paste tomato also. I've frozen this. I've removed it from the tin, the record tin, and I've frozen it so that it will not contaminate. So that is that. I have to add a little salt. Just little salt, and we add a cube of Maggi into the sauce. Then I'll fry this for 20 minutes. So this is the Maggi cube, 1 cube. So I have to cover it now and make it fry for 20 minutes. So I've fried this stew, the gizzard stew, for 20 minutes. I'm going to pour in the fried gizzard into this, and I will leave it for just 5 minutes to steam together. After this, then it's done. That's all. I'm going to, this is plantain. I'm going to fry it. But before I do that, I have to rinse the body. Just to rinse it. Rinsed all the plantain. I've got 8 pieces there because I have to mix this with my gizzard soup. I can eat it separate and I can eat it together with it. So I'm going to peel this one. Remove the outer part, the cover. So I've peeled my plantain. I'm cutting it into two. Then I will now begin to cut it. So that is it. Cut it in the middle. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, and the plantain. Then I will mix it. I'm going to fry my plantain now, so I need to put little oil. So this will be there for maybe 10 minutes or 12 minutes. After this, then we continue from there. So my gizzard stew is ready now. So that is that for now. So this is the end result of gizzard with plantain. Thank you.